Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, Tofla Megaline Inc. just filed an 8K reporting a director resignation, and I'm seeing one key area that matters for the company's future. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The main takeaway here is that a board member has stepped down, and the company is now looking to fill that spot. So this is a filing from Tofla Megaline Inc., a company that is registered in Nevada. They are an emerging growth company, which basically means they are a smaller company that gets to follow some slightly easier rules for reporting their financial information. The substance of this filing is pretty straightforward. On the 4th of June 2026, a gentleman named Alejandro Arroyo resigned from the company's board of directors. This resignation was effective immediately. The filing also notes that his resignation was not due to any disagreements about the company's operations, policies, or practices. Essentially, Hess moving on, and his departure wasn't driven by conflict. What this means for Tofla Megaline Inc. is that they now have a vacancy on their board. The company stated that they plan to look for new candidates to join the board. Having a full board is important for oversight and strategic decision making, so this is something they will be working to address. The filing is signed by Dilip Pedigara, who holds multiple key roles: Chief Executive Officer, Chief Financial Officer, and Secretary. This concentration of roles is quite common in smaller companies where individuals often wear many hats. Looking at the overall picture, this is a standard corporate event. A board member has resigned, and the company is in the process of finding a replacement. While the filing itself doesn't contain deep financial data or reveal any major operational shifts, the next steps in filling this board seat will be worth watching. It could signal future strategic directions or areas the company is looking to strengthen with new expertise. My biggest concern is whether this departure is part of a larger trend or a signal of upcoming changes in the company's strategy. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If you found this deep dive helpful, please like, subscribe, and join our Discord community linked below.